2026, yes. It is the BONSAILING Regatta. Today's registration. We're open right now, and the skippers meeting is at 6, so instructions will be given for all the categories. We have the registration for the fishing tournament, for yacht sailing, for sunfish, for optimist. I think we also have cube, the RS Viva, windsurfing. This year we're having a downwinder, which is, I think, a first here for Bonaire. From Atlantis to Klein Bonaire. Everyone is welcome, all levels. We have registration open for young sailors as well as anyone who can sail, any age, all ages. The registration is open for all classes, for yachts, for windsurfing, for sunfish, for Optimist Pram, for cube, for the kite surfing, did I already say? The registration will be open today, tomorrow, and since the windsurfing and kite surfing regatta is on Sunday, we'll even have registration open on Sunday morning. You can register online. We do have an online registration, BONSAILING, but we do need to receive, if you want your t-shirt and your dinner tickets for tonight, you should come and register today.